Welcome back. For Quick Bites, we are featuring kids in the kitchen, and I'm here with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George and her daughter Jenna in Katie's kitchen. What are we making?
What are we making today, Jenna?
Pizza.
Pizza. We are making Jenna's favorite food, which is pizza. And so Jenna always says, what do you want for supper? What do you want for lunch? It's always pizza.
So I want pizza every day.
Every day,
wow.
Right? And so we are just going to kind of take this pizza theme and maybe make it a little bit healthier. Jenna would go for pepperoni every day, but we would, maybe change it up. So we're kind of just doing something a little bit unique. And I love this concept because really everybody makes their own. We can make it a little bit healthier and more so everybody's satisfied.
Nice.
So we are starting out the base of our pizza. This is going to be the Oro wheat sandwich thins found like with all of the hamburger buns, and it ends up being a little thin crust pizza. So we are just going to separate it, no knife needed, and we're going to put it on our cookie sheet. And my trick here is parchment paper. I mean to tell you, I'm a parchment paper fan because I guarantee, like, if you don't use parchment paper, something's going to stick. So we are going to use parchment paper on our cookie sheet, and Jenna's going to take it here and just separate those out. So this is where everybody makes their own. We are going to make barbecue today. So we're going to use some barbecue sauce. And this is where my children become involved in the kitchen. We are going to use, again, this is one of my favorite tools, a silicone basting brush. So instead of using a spoon, we are going to take the barbecue sauce, and Jenna is going to use the basting brush. It's kind of like painting, to be honest. And she is going to take it. I'm going to go right on in there, and she's just going to paint the barbecue sauce kind of to spread throughout the Oro wheat sandwich thins. I will talk about these. These are multi-grain. These are high fiber. They work really good. They're going to be filling. And then the most important thing is that you get to make this in a couple different ways. So we're going to do it in the oven today. You can make these in the air fryer, and you can also just microwave it as well. So it gets a little messy. That's what Kids in the Kitchen is all about. We get a little little samples here going on. And so that is where we are going to start. So the barbecue sauce is delightful, isn't it? We're going to take that off your arm, not get it on your pretty dress. So from here, we're going to take it, and so good, right? We just got to make sure that kids like it.
Finger licking good.
It is finger licking good. So extra rotisserie chicken, extra grilled chicken that you have, or you can actually buy these little bites as well. We're just going to take it and you're just going to put it on the pizza. So this is where the kids get involved. What do you want on your pizza? As our barbecue chicken pizza, obviously chicken, which is what Jenna's doing. If there's some big pieces, you're going to want to break them up. And from here, we're going to, if you want to add some peppers, I'm not going to add peppers to all of them because my goodness, peppers and my kids don't love peppers. They love all other veggies, but I'll add some to mine and Jeremy's, right? And so we're going to add that. And then from here, we're also going to add some different cheeses. So we're going to start with some Parmesan. And Parmesan cheese is pretty potent. You don't need a lot of it. So we're just going to add just a smidge. And we're just going to put that in the middle. I'm gonna help you with that chicken, okay, Jenna?
Yeah, it's hard.
It's sometimes hard to do, right? It doesn't have to be perfect though. Look, just as simple as that. And then we're gonna just use some mozzarella. I do wanna say barbecue chicken pizza, cilantro works really good on it. So if your garden is bursting with cilantro and you don't know what to do, throw it on the pizza. You're gonna be a little bit amazed. I am using some of the Gourmet Gardens, and I'm just gonna dabble a few of that on some of the pieces of chicken. And if you're a cilantro fan, which I'm not, you'll love this, I promise. So a little bit of cilantro on there if you want, a little bit of Parmesan, and then we're just gonna use the mozzarella cheese. And you are my cheese topper, aren't you? So you're gonna go in, you wanna dive in and put some of the cheese on. Use the parchment paper so you don't have burnt on cheese when you do this. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 degrees, literally 5 minutes. That's all you need. If you like crispy pizza, throw it in the air fryer, 5 minutes. And just a great way to not have a sandwich for lunch or have a meal in less than 10 minutes.
Yes,
it's a great,
this is easy.
Great easy thing to do. So we'll pop that in the oven. Again, the cheese will melt when it's done. Everything is pre-cooked, so you don't have to worry about things not getting cooked. and we have our barbecue chicken pizza,
I'll eat the pepperoni.
and Jenna is ready to go.
I know, she was ready before we
Diving
even got
in,
started.
right? She's like, can I have that?
Katie and Jenna, thank you.
Thank you.
We'll put the recipe on our website.